Many people are curious, why have I believed in WINLONG so much for so many years? So today we came to the factory and took you to visit our factory. Then enter our factory first. On our right-hand side is our raw material reserve. And on the left is one of our office buildings. In front, these big houses are our production workshops. Workshop D is our water glue production workshop. Area E is our hot melt adhesive production workshop. Further over there is the production workshop of our popular product PUR. Okay, now let's take safety measures. Now we enter the factory area. Then come into our factory. I don't know if it has broken everyone's perception of traditional adhesive manufacturers. So today I will take you to the factory. Let everyone feel the production strength of the factory in detail. Then you saw our C workshop. Then give everyone a pass today. This Area C workshop is our biggest advantage in competing for PUR in the market. Then you guys can guess what it is. The workshop we are entering now is a packaging line for our EVA. Then the EVA is produced and packaged here. Then transfer it to our cloud warehouse. You guys can take a look. Then this is probably a production introduction of our hot melt adhesive workshop. You can see that we have 4 PSA hot melt adhesive production lines. Then there are 3 EVA hot melt adhesive production lines. We have 17 PUR hot melt adhesive production lines. I think everyone is most concerned about PUR right now. Then let's go to the PUR production workshop now. This is one of our automatic PUR palletizers. You can take a look. Unmanned automatic packaging throughout the entire process. Try to avoid manual falls during transportation. Then the PUR is still hot right after it comes out. The range of manual moving is relatively large, easy to sway. This is the shipping and warehousing area. What comes into view is workers are packing now. Some goods to be shipped today. That pair of WINLONG products. Confidence also comes from WINLONG. Strict control over products. Then we happen to come to the laboratory. Take the guys to visit. That WINLONG for all products. Regardless of water glue, EVA and PUR. All have been rigorously tested. Will be delivered to everyone's hands. Make sure everyone's glue is safe. Then today's tour is over. What does that guy need to know about WINLONG? You can leave a message in the comment area or send me a private message.